What's up, moms? Today I will be decorating my entryway for this coming Christmas and holiday season. So the other day I picked up some good quality garlands from Joann's Fabric, and these are the garlands and I am really pleased with them. It's very nice and has a lot of texture. I like that it has pine cones on them and it doesn't have glitters. So I am really pleased with that. I actually picked up two garlands and I only use one for the stairway or staircase. I use a wire to attach the garland on the stairway. Then I separated each branches to make it look more fuller. If you are wondering when to decorate for Christmas 2020, it's totally up to you. If it makes you happy, you can do it anytime. Just like I did, I decorated like the first week of November. I usually decorate like after Thanksgiving, but this year of 2020, I need some extra happiness in my life and I just want to be in Christmas and holiday season spirit. So I decided to decorate. I am going to show you how to make a big bow. As you can see, I measured the tail first. I just simply measure it using the width of my hand. As you can see, I measured it 3 times. Then I form a loop about 12 inches long. I'm actually just estimating here. If you want to, you can totally measure it. And then I'm going to form another loop on the left side, and it's the same width or length of the first loop. I also twisted the loop just so the right side of the ribbon is facing out. And I made another loop on the right side and it's the same length of the first loop. And you can put more loop as you want to, but I thought 4 loops is just perfect. More than that to me looks very cluttered. And then I form another loop on the left side, and then I'm also twisting it so the right side of the ribbon is facing out. And then I adjusted the loops just so they are at the same size. And then I am going to secure the center of the bow using a wire, and I'm just going to twist it at the back. For wondering, I got the ribbon from Hobby Lobby. They were actually 50% off. Now that the loops are secured, I am going to trim off the other tail, and I'm just going to use this short tail as my guide. Then you can trim the tails on an angle or dovetail it or just leave it straight like this. It's totally up to you, whatever your style is. Then I fluff the bows a little bit more just so it looks nice. Now it's time to secure it on the staircase. I simply attach it on the garland using the wire that I use to secure the center of the bow. I was wondering, what do you do for Christmas when it comes to decoration? Do you have a theme every year? For me, I like to change the colors every year just so it is nice and fresh. Like last year, I did blue and white. This year, I did rose gold, and I really like it. Now it's time to put ribbon on the garland. So I started at the very top and I will work my way down. And as you can see, I am just grabbing about 8 inches of ribbon and I'm just going to secure it on the branch like this. Seriously, you guys, this holiday season is giving me holiday rush. I absolutely love decorating for Christmas. Honestly, decorating early for Christmas is actually a time saver, and plus, I notice my decorations are well planned and not rush at all. And plus, it gives me like things to do because right now we can't go anywhere, can't do anything. So decorating for Christmas room by room is actually has been helping me mentally. It just makes me feel relaxed and happy. I hope this Christmas clean and decorate with me helps you to be motivated and be inspired to decorate your own happy place. Remember, there is no right or wrong when it comes to decorating your own happy place. Wondering what is your holiday schedule for 2020? Like, I don't do schedules, by the way. I just kind of wing it. So what do you think, guys? Do you schedule for like stuff you need to do for the holiday season? Anyway, I am now going to tuck in the end of the ribbon just behind the big bow. And then I went ahead and used a wire to secure the bow on the garland. Now I am going to add this pick just to give it some contrast because it needs some light color on the garland. So I decided to go for this pick. If I haven't mentioned yet, I actually got all the things that I am using on this video from Hobby Lobby, except for the garland. I got that from Joann's Fabric. So I place one pick on the top of the banister and I'm going to put one just behind the big bow. Anyway, you guys, I learned a lot of this technique from Ramon at home. I absolutely love his channel and he is very helpful when it comes to decorating for Christmas. I absolutely love his tutorials. If you already heard about him, that is great, and if not, I'm just going to have his channel link in the description box below so you can go ahead and check them out. Then I put some crystal for added glam and sparkle. Now I dovetail the ends of the ribbon. You can leave it straight or cut it on an angle. It's totally up to you, but I really like the look of dovetail ribbon. And then I added this white berry picks. I absolutely love the way it looks. It just adds whimsy on the garland. To finish the garland, it's time to work on the other side of the entryway, which is the table and the mirrors. So I'm just going to give it a quick wipe down. I'm cleaning the mirrors really well just because I am going to stick something on the actual mirror. I will be using command hooks to hang the wreaths on the mirror. That's why I really need to clean it or else it's not going to stick really well. It's time to place the decoration back on the table. I arrange it into a triangle. By the way, I purchased those two mirrors from TJ Maxx a few years ago. I place a reed diffuser just behind the picture, and then I place this sign that says welcome to our home. It's time to hang the wreath on the mirror. So like I said earlier, I will be using a command hooks to stick it on the wall. But before I did that, I actually quickly wiped down the stairs and vacuumed the floors just because it was bothering me. There was so much mess on the floor. Let's quickly vacuum it using this Dyson vacuum cleaner. I actually need a new one just because this one is already acting up. I don't know why. My husband told me we need a new bench to go with my decor just because the zebra print he said doesn't go with the decor. So I think it's just an excuse for him to make a new furniture. It's time to hang up the wreaths and it's like a perfect cherry on top. This is the final decor. I know that big empty wall right there needs something. I might DIY a wall decor right there, but for now I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the project that I had been working on all day. I decided to hang the ornaments like this. I think it just gives it more interest instead of putting it at the center of the wreath. I really love the way this turned out. I am so obsessed with it. I think it is super elegant and just lovely. So just when you open the door, this is what you will see. You will see a big Christmas tree right there. It is super gorgeous and it looks very inviting. I'm going to give you a full living room tour once I completed my Christmas decorations. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you next time. Bye!